Hello, store owners. Are you planning to set up or redesign product options for your product details in Shopify? In this video, we will show you how. Let's begin. First, log into your Shopify account and search for the EasyFlow app. From the EasyFlow dashboard, tap the Create Option button. A pop-up will appear. From there, select your preferred options. To showcase product options creatively, you can use a checkbox, Dropdown, image swatch, color swatch, radio button, text box, multi-line text box, number field, date picker, file upload, or HTML. Let's start by selecting an option type. Pick the color option. Set a name and select the color you want with their price values. You can add one or multiple color options, depending on what you need. Once done, hit Save. Now head back to your dashboard. You will see your saved option listed under the name color. Just like this, you can keep creating more options under the same option set you made earlier. Click on a previously ready option set, like we are clicking on the clothing set. Here, you can see several option sets already created. If you want to create a new option under this set, just tap on it. Select an option from pop-up and click on button from the collection of option types. Enter the option name, create the option values and click the plus icon beside default if you want to add more values. Also, you can add values by tapping on the Add Value button below. Here we add different kinds of values, such as regular, cotton, nylon and cashmere with preferred add-on prices. From the right side, you can see the preview of Choose Fabric Type. Next, select Required from the input settings and click Save. You can see that the option set contains your saved options. Click Save after selecting Collection from Select Type and checking the Cotton Shirt Collection box. After adding options and making them required for the selected collection, visit the product on your Shopify storefront. The options collection for selecting the fabric type that you previously selected can be found in the Product Details section. That's it. You have successfully set up the product options for shoppers on the Shopify storefront. Did you find this tutorial helpful? Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more guides like this.